Hey guys, I'm Mike from Guildford Custom, based here at the world famous Guildford Harley Davidson. Welcome back to episode 4 of Behind the Door. It's been a couple of months, the sun is really shining now. I mean, we've said this every time we've started an episode, but it's warm today, it's been nice. We've already been out doing a couple of custom bike walkarounds and riding shots and bits and pieces. So it's been nice to get up to Newlands Corner in the beautiful Surrey Hills and have a wander around. What's been happening? Loads has been happening. It's been really busy the last couple of months. Lots going on, lots of custom motorcycles going through to the shop. We've been to Mutt Motorcycles with the early hookup chopper show. Thank you so much, James, for the invite for that one. Great event to be involved in. We have been to Wales to film the 101 Run Come Hither invited builder videos. They'll be coming out over the next few weeks, so you get to see those. We've also been in Brighton doing exactly the same thing. Well, Brighton and Hove, more Hove. We have a bike on its way here from Korea that we've got to customise. We've got to pick that up from Southampton in a couple of weeks, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, back at the shop, we have like new signage gone up, so the fantastic famous Buell signs have come down and the new live wire signs are up. Hey, you guys haven't met this guy yet. This is Daniel. He's our new head of sales. Hey Daniel.
Nice to be here.
You conveniently placed right
it's like
there.
We planned this.
Yeah. Do you know what we need to do though right now? You need to stand here and I need to stand there.
Okay, we can do that, yeah.
Whee! There you go. TV magic. So Daniel's our new head of sales here at Guildford Harley. So if you're looking to sell your motorcycle, or you're looking for a bit of a deal on a motorcycle, he's the man that's going to sign it off. Tell everyone who you are, what you do.
I'm Daniel, I'm the head of sales here at the world famous Guildford Harley Davidson. I've only been here since the start of the year really, so not that long.
Been smashing it though.
Yeah, we've done really well. Been in the motor industry for as long as I can remember.
You already know we're a great dealership when you come to see us, but it's just getting better and
We've
better.
got an amazing team here. We all work together really well, and it's just getting better and better.
And he's from the West Country. So he's a cool dude, isn't he?
Cornish born and bred.
So yeah, we've got Livewire coming, which is cool. So we're going to have the Livewire 1 and the Delmar available for demo in the near future.
Sign's gone up today, and end of this week we have got our bike arriving for the showroom, and our demo is arriving as well. So very soon we'll have it on the road ready for you guys to try out.
Cheers, dude. I was going to bump, but yeah.
Well, you can do that as well.
Right, let's go into the workshop, check some stuff out. Lots going on, so we finally got Terry's bike all finished and wrapped up, so that's cool. We've done a custom bike walk around and we've actually taken that out for a ride today because it's come back in and we fitted the Baja Designs LP6 headlights, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, keep an eye out on the YouTube channel, that's coming out soon. What else is going on? Let's go through. The boys are just finishing off this Sportster S at the moment. This is the latest one to roll out the shop in Candy Apple Red. Done a custom bike walk around on this one today and taking it for a ride. So make sure you check the channel. That'll be coming out soon. Hang on. I want to talk about that breakout first. Can I? Yeah. Other projects, we've got this amazing blacked out breakout that we're working on at the moment. I just picked up the seat from D-Class Auto. We're still making progress with the Heritage over in the corner, which is great. Tell you what is exciting. I've had to blur this out for the last few episodes, but I don't have to now because it's literally going to Budapest next week. We're putting it together right now. Come check this out.
You haven't been blurring it, I've been blurring it.
Well, Daniel's been blurring it. Right, so check it out. This is our Harley Davidson Trailblazers competition motorcycle, dripping in carbon fibre, flow yellow. I mean, it's packing a punch. So what have we got here? We've got Scorpion exhaust. Our good friend Wade has welded up a pie cut stainless steel pipe for that. We've got some sort of Supermoto tyres on it, carbon fibre hugger and belt guard, or chain guard I should say, carbon fibre front mud guard, little carbon fibre bits on the console, lever guards, big flow yellow on the back end and the front end. Can't wait for you guys to see the paint on this, it's going to be epic. When this bike gets back from Budapest, we will do a full custom bike walk around on it. But we've been very lucky working with our friends at say R&G in Alton. They've done a lot of prototype bits and pieces on this bike, which will be available for you to buy shortly. But we've got all the first versions of this. Rob's just fitting the RNG tail tidy on this at the moment, and then we're going to run in a set of these amazing Kellerman stock tail turn indicators. Just tidies it up because they're just nice and little really. You're going to do the same up the front. We've had this bike running with this exhaust on it. It sounds epic. Yeah, can't wait to get that going. Other bits and pieces that are really cool, you know, like this Softail Deluxe that belongs to our good friend Steve. It's in for a full valet. We put this bike together a few years ago. Yeah, loads going on. It's really, really busy. Coming out to the shop. So naturally, we are a solar powered industry, being in the motorcycle industry. So the showroom's starting to look a bit sparse, but new stock's coming in all the time. Things are really happening here at the moment, and we're buying lots of used bikes as well. So worth getting down to the dealership, having a look around. Saturdays are absolutely jamming in here right now. Other bikes of note, what else is going on? We have another couple of bikes in that are sort of lambs to the slaughter. So we have this Street Bob, which is about to go under the knife and be fully customized with some crazy yellow paint scheme, so it's going to be pretty cool. And then we have this live wire in the corner that's about to be pulled apart as well. That's going to be a particularly interesting project that we're going to be doing with our good friend Charlie from Stockwell Design. We are building some amazing motorcycles, working with some amazing people, and more importantly, doing amazing things for you guys. And you know, I cannot thank our customers enough, really, for all the love and support that they give us here at Guildford Harley Davidson and Guildford Custom. Hey, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check that little notification bell so you get a little ding-ling every time we post a video. And we will see you at some point in episode 5. Take it easy.